Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. On April 21st, in an email to our weekly subscribers, I suggested shorting the dollar versus the Japanese yen at a price of 111.61. Now, in today's market action, the dollar yen has crashed and is trading around 108.50, which means that it's trading about 320 pips lower than where I suggested selling the dollar yen. Now, I've held on personally to my positions. I've actually added more positions. In last week's email, I again suggested selling the dollar yen at a price at 109.11. Again, right now we're trading about 60 pips lower than that. So I have several positions short dollar yen, and I don't see this trend ending anytime soon. I see dollar yen crashing to the 104 support level where it went to last December. Now again, I've been reiterating on these videos as well as my weekly emails the virtues of being short dollar yen. To my mind, this was one of the best risk reward trades. When I got in at 111.61, I basically said that the risk was 100 pips and the reward was probably 800 pips, and that's exactly the way it's been going. Now, the increasing strength of the yen versus the dollar, as well as the strength of the yen across the board, to my mind, is part of a picture which indicates that there is a gathering storm for risk-on investors. So perhaps some of you have heard this term risk-on and risk-off. In a risk-on environment, it's blue skies ahead for those in equities and the dollar and things of that nature, as the financial outlook and the economy look great. Now it looks like, based on what I'm seeing in the market, that things are turning, and this environment is increasingly becoming a risk-off environment. And in a risk-off environment, stocks are going to go down, oil is going to go down, the yen's going to get stronger, the Swiss franc's going to get stronger. So these are the trends that I'm seeing beginning to appear, and if I'm right, we could be heading in for a major sell-off in traditional assets, which again is going to be a disaster for those in mutual funds, long stocks, and long traditional asset groups, as it seems like this environment is quickly changing. Now, if you'd like to be ahead of the curve in some of these huge moves, and get the emails that our members got in the yen and other things that alerted them to these major moves, then I recommend taking a look at our Accelerator program. In the Accelerator program, it includes the Trade of the Week, and it also includes a 20 or 30 minute video analysis. Last week, I started sending out early signals of what we're seeing in the collapse in oil today, the collapse in the dollar versus the yen, collapse in the stock markets. This is everything that I was saying in my video report and my analysis last week. So if you'd like to get a hop on things and get my analysis that puts you in these huge moves ahead of the big moves, then go ahead and check out my Accelerator program. For the rest of you, I wish you a great weekend and a healthy and prosperous trading week next week. So with that said, take care.